Hey, got something special to unbox that I've been hyped for, so we're gonna get right into it. Oh, more tape at the bottom I didn't see. So I'm not even gonna try to pronounce the name of this brand, but it is the wireless charging station, the Q40 Turbo. Couple of books, one book, and it comes in this nice little pouch here. And the inside is the real star of the show here. Really was hyped because it's color matched to the actual color of the iPhone 17 Pro Max I chose. And I believe this is actually more for travel, so taking it with you on the go is always cool. So really feels very premium. The materials I believe are CVC. Either I want to say, yeah, CVC, and then feels very cool to the touch. It's cold where I'm at. So, and then I actually don't think this comes with this. I actually bought this separately, but got a good deal on it as well. It's a orange USB-C to USB-C. I believe it's 100 watts, but if you just order this, I believe this is the still braided charging cable that you get in the actual box. But I don't know. I think it's kind of, it just doesn't match up to me with, like, this is still a different orange, but at least it's orange. So, and then we get a wall wart with it. Let's see. This is a power delivery 45 watt. And looks like that's everything, but the charging, like the carrying case itself is really cool. Sometimes you will not receive those with other products, so it's nice to get it with this. But it has this little kind of foldy design here, which is really cool. Let's see if I can't plug this in somewhere really quick. See if I can't find a slot somewhere. And I don't know if you can see, but yeah, Apple Watch charger. It's interesting because on the box, you wouldn't really be able to tell the color. I'm not sure why they wouldn't put the actual orange color there. So, but I mean, this is the color. So, it'd be nice to charge all the devices at once. You know, you can charge the Apple Watch, which I've been wearing this new band on there. It's like a nice little band. Kind of has the same enclosure as the Milanese loop. So yeah, they bought that to match the old orange Pro Max. And if you look at the when it's plugged down, it's pretty nice. It's very sturdy as well. Just to look at it as a, it's very interesting and very nicely color matched. I kind of wish there was a little less text on the back here, but still, it's not like you would see that normally anyway. If you were charging it, it would be in like a more on the ground position. And I don't have the latest generation AirPods Pro. I normally, if I'm going to use like a headphone, I'll either have these Baseus, the ones they created with Bose, which I don't even remember if those are wireless, but I do have the orange Powerbeats wireless too, but I'm not sure that they would actually If you shoved them up, I'll test that later, see if it works. But just wanted to do a general unboxing and first impressions. Feels great, looks quality, and yeah, really cool and nice match. So looking forward to testing this out a bit further and then providing a recommendation of a do or a don't. And yeah, it's really awesome looking, at least. So stay tuned.